Deep in the Amazon, a jaguar locks eyes with its next meal, a capybara. The giant rodent freezes, sensing death is near. The predator lunges, but in a shocking twist, the capybara charges. Teeth bared, it rams the jaguar with terrifying force. The big cat stumbles back, stunned. Never expecting this fight, it hesitates, and in that split second, the capybara attacks again. The jaguar, now outmatched, turns tail and flees into the jungle. The hunter just became the hunted. When prey fights back, even kings of the jungle can be dethroned. What's the most surprising predator-prey reversal you've ever seen?